You are listening to Happy Heart Radio. Hello, and welcome to Happy Heart Radio. My name is Shefali, and I'm so glad you are here listening to this episode. Thank you for giving me the next few minutes of your time. Very often in life, we come face to face with people, situations, and experiences that test us. In these extremely trying times, we often feel misunderstood, unloved, and heavily judged. More often than not, we find ourselves trapped in the clutches of self-pity because we seek validation from external sources. Words of praise from our family and friends, titles, awards, rewards, promotions, you get the drift, right? And when we do get all these things, it's lovely. But what happens if we don't? Again, we're caught in the quicksand of self-pity, which quickly mutates into self-loathing or self-hate. This, in my opinion, is one of the worst things we can do to ourselves. Once this becomes our state of mind, we begin to attract more of it. We begin to see it everywhere. We get tons of it, and eventually this becomes our reality, and this manifests in all aspects of our life. We feel taken for granted, walked all over, and experience only discontentment. We feel that we are not good enough for ourselves or for others. We feel like a failure. We feel like losers. I have been there too. Instead of appreciating our uniqueness and abundant talent, we only feel like we are not good enough and falling short at every moment. If this vicious cycle is not broken, it is slowly but surely going to become a part of our attitude. There is nothing more repelling than a person with an unhealthily low self-esteem. We have all had our moments of foolhardy, and that's okay. That was just one incident and it got the better of you. Don't give it the power to haunt you or to tarnish your self-image in your mind. I read an interesting anecdote on livelifehappy.com, and I hope it will reinforce the need for you to know your value. A very well-known speaker started off his seminar by holding up a $20 bill. In a room of 200 plus people, he asked, "Who would like this $20 bill?" Hands started going up. He said, "I'm going to give this $20 bill to one of you, but first let me do this." And he proceeded to crumple up the dollar bill. He then asked, "Who still wants it?" Still, hands went up. A few went down. "Well," he replied, "what if I do this?" And he dropped the $20 bill on the ground and started to grind it into the floor with his shoe. He picked it up now, all crumpled and dirty, and asked, "Now who still wants it?" Still, some hands were up in the air. My friends, you have all learned a very valuable lesson, I hope. No matter what I did to the money, you still wanted it because it did not decrease in value. It's still worth $20. Many times in our lives, we are dropped, crumpled, and ground into the dirt by decisions we make and the circumstances that come our way. We feel as though we are worthless, but no matter what has happened or what will happen, you will never lose your value. You are special, and don't for a second forget that. Such a beautiful story, no? At any and every point in time, we have a choice. A choice to fret or a choice to be happy. A choice to sulk and feel pathetic about ourselves for the decisions we've made, or to learn the lesson, shrug off that ill feeling and soldier on. And the choice is completely and fully only yours. It is you who is choosing and shaping your future. And if you choose well, you will love yourself, and nothing or no one will ever be able to piss on your bliss. So choose well, my friend. I hope this episode resonated with you. I would love to hear from you. Please like us on facebook.com/happyheartradio. Do follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and also please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also listen to the latest episodes of Happy Heart Radio on Google Podcasts, iTunes, Podbean, Spotify, or wherever you get your podcasts from. Also, you can drop me a line with your comments, insights, story, or just say a hi. My email ID is hi@happyheartradio.com. I'm going to be uploading twice a week, so do come back every Monday and Thursday for your dose of happiness on Happy Heart Radio. Until next time, this is me, Shefali, saying thank you, take care, and wishing you love and light.